In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own travel chatbot from the ground up. This chatbot is designed to assist users with various travel-related inquiries, ranging from destination recommendations to flight and hotel FAQs, and even packing advice. We'll ensure it maintains a friendly and informative tone throughout. So let's delve into the step-by-step process of bringing your travel chatbot to life. First and foremost, we're going to start by opening ChatGPT. To do this, you'll need to head over to chat.openai.com, which is the gateway to creating your custom chatbot. Once you're there, simply log in with your credentials and start a new chat to get things rolling. This setup allows us to harness the power of AI to cater specifically to the needs of travelers everywhere. Next, we define the purpose of your chatbot. Think of it as the foundation of your creation. In this instance, we're aiming for a travel chatbot that can expertly handle destination recommendations, address common flight and hotel questions, and offer helpful travel tips. The key is to keep the chatbot friendly yet informative, making users feel as if they're interacting with their very own travel assistant. Now that we have established the purpose, it's time to create some sample user interactions. This step is crucial as it sets the framework for how your chatbot will communicate. For instance, you might start with a scenario in which a user asks about budget-friendly travel destinations in Europe. Your chatbot should be able to respond with 3 interesting options, each with a brief description. Also, consider including sample chats where users inquire about more specific details like hotel check-in times to ensure your chatbot is prepared for varied questions. Setting the chatbot's tone is our next task. A warm, conversational style is ideal for the travel industry, as it makes users feel at ease. Your chatbot should embody qualities of a helpful travel assistant, using an engaging writing style complete with emojis where appropriate to add personality to its responses. It's important to keep replies succinct to maintain user engagement without overwhelming them. Once the tone is established, the next step is to organize your travel features. This involves building a structured menu that includes various options such as destinations, flights and hotels, and travel tips. Under each category, create at least 2 sample questions a user might have, along with thoughtful responses from the chatbot. Finally, it's time to prepare for integration. Copy the chatbot flow you've created using ChatGPT. With this in hand, you're ready to utilize chatbot platforms like ManyChat, TDO, or Dialogflow to connect your chatbot to your website or even Messenger. Once integrated, make sure you test it thoroughly with real travel-related questions to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating your very own travel chatbot. By following these steps, you're well on your way to providing travelers with a valuable and engaging tool for all their travel planning needs.